Hey guys, welcome back. Have you ever been shipwrecked? Me, don't plan to. So today we're going out to the east coast of Canada, Newfoundland to be exact. And I was watching the YouTubes the other day. I came across this meal, and I thought, this looks really good. This is a nice comfort food, and it's got that stick to your ribs kind of feel to it. So today we're going to make shipwreck dinner or 7-layer dinner. Um, I checked it out. So if you want to check this guy out, it's called Newfie Lifestyle. And he's got a ton of great recipes. But I like this one. And I thought I would give it a shot. And yeah, we're going to try that. It's all done in the Dutch oven and then layered and cooked. So stick around and check this out together. Soon. So I've already browned my meat, as you can see. There's a bit I dumped the grease out that was in there. I'm using a medium ground beef. I have the oven preheated to 350. So first off, onions. So we're going to layer the onions in, just kind of as a base. I cut them about a 1/4 inch thick, the slices, because there's nothing wrong with a good onion. So you can see I'm just throwing it around there. Fill We'll use it all. And once your onions are in, make sure that's off. We got potatoes. So I used 3 medium to large potatoes. And that's all I had. I guess really you could do anything with this meal because as long as you have room in the pot, you could add anything, beans, corn. I'm using peas today. And there's some small ones there. Let's put those there. Got lots of potato. That's okay. Nothing wrong. And I don't know where Newfoundland he is, but he's been around a little bit. Newfie Lifestyle. Check it out. Traditional Newfoundland meal, dating hundreds of years back. Maybe you have one in your area, but I don't know. So I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Himalayan salt. Black pepper. Because you know what? I love pepper. Okay. So that's our hamburger that we already browned. I'm going to dump that in. Let me get a little, spread that out over top. Like I said, this is very easy to make. It's just time baking. That's the main thing in your browning your hamburger, obviously. Okay. Minute rice, a cup. So we just sprinkle that over top. Cups. So as he explained, and as I will also explain to you, you just spread these out kind of like pepperoni on a pizza. I really like that analogy you used. So yeah, just spread about. This is carrot. So there's a lot of prep, just slicing things. And the same thing, you want everything to be about the same size just to make sure everything cooks around the same time. Some rutabaga or turnip, whatever you wish to call it. Just spread it out like rock. Okay. One thing I did miss at the meat, garlic salt. I'm gonna cheat and put it over top here. Not too much, just a little bit. It's like I'm missing something. Okay, next we have 1 stalk of celery, chopped very tiny. We got some frozen peas. You can use any vegetable you want. His recipe was he used peas. However, I'm gonna live it up big time and also throw corn in. So that's how I roll. Tomato soup. I know, I was surprised by it too. Whoop. Okay. And spread it around the top. I mean, I do like tomato soup. It's just a can of Campbell's tomato soup. Not a sponsor. I'm going to add a cup of water over top. Get some moisture in there. Okay. I'm just going to back up here for you kids. Woo. My lid. So this that's heavy. So we're going to slide that into there. Close that up. Okay, guys, we're back. 350 for an hour and a half. So we're going to open this up and see what we have. It smells awesome. I feel warmer already inside. Ooh, it's hot. Look at that. Wow. Whoop. Now scoop this out. The layering. Potatoes, rice, turnip, corn, onion. You have everything. Look at that. Looks gorgeous. Potatoes, turnip, carrots, onion, beef, peas, corn. Everything in one, rice, everything mixed together. a glass of water because I think this is going to be hot. All right. How did I sit in this before? My butt throw this week? Okay, let's get a carrot. Everything is like perfectly done. Carrots, potato. What else do we got here? Beef. Whoop. Hey, here we go. Wow. Wow. That's excellent. That's like you can just feel it going down your throat into your stomach, and everything warms right up. And you can taste everything. Hats off to the Newfie lifestyle, man. That's awesome. And like I said earlier, you can add anything to it. You can put cheese on it, which I was thinking about. Um, Baked beans, green beans, any vegetable. You can put more layers of vegetables in. It's really good. Really good. Shout out to Newfie Lifestyle. So shout out again, once again, to Newfie Lifestyle. Check him out. He's got other great recipes. I may do another couple because this was really good. So till next time, stay safe, enjoy your week, and we'll see you later. Go Canada.